Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, December 19th, and I'm going to be analyzing the euro yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So, on the euro yen monthly, I still think that we are in an uptrend. Now, this big move downward we recently had definitely has not broken and held below structure, telling me that we are actually still in this wave 3 trend, and there's always a potential that this wave 3 trend could keep on going up. For me, the monthly and weekly time frame are definitely still in a wave 3 trend. So going down to the weekly, this is where I have this low marked right here, which would confirm that the trend for the wave 3 is over, and we definitely do not have that broken yet. This still potentially could be an uptrend, and it potentially could just keep on trending up. So let's go down to the shorter time frames and take a closer look. Now on the daily time frame, there's no doubt that this looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This could be a wave A or maybe even a wave 1. That means that this move up right here could potentially be a crescent, like a wave B or potentially a wave 2. Now if it is a wave B or a wave 2, we should be able to recognize that because it should make like a zigzag, maybe some sort of a more complex crescent like a triangle or a WXY, and bounce off a fib level, make a big engulfing move to the downside. So we should be able to recognize if it does turn into a wave B or a wave 2, and we would be going short at that point if we do see that. But, like I was explaining on the higher time frames, the fact that it rejected structure makes me think that it is possible that it could just keep on trending up, which is why, especially with the fact that we have a break of structure to the upside right here, I potentially will be looking for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour, this is where you can see the break of structure we recently had. I do think that this right here, this low, is actually a wave 5. And like I said, potentially it could make some sort of an ABC and bounce off a fib level and keep going down. If it does do that, we should be able to recognize it. But I would definitely be looking for longs right now because this potentially could just turn into an uptrend. And if it does turn into an uptrend, we definitely want to be looking for longs while we're learning and earning whether it does some sort of an ABC and bounces down or whether it makes a continuation of the uptrend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push up. We definitely do have a little bit of a break of structure, which tells me that this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is over, and most likely we are in a correction to this move up. So if we get some sort of a zigzag pattern, ABC or something like that, down to a fib level, then that is exactly, with an engulfing move to the upside, would be exactly what I would be looking for from an X entry to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.